Hey guys, we're live. Hopefully this is coming through to you. Glad you could join me tonight. I'm just going to take a couple of seconds and get the YouTube stream set up here a little bit. So there were some changes with YouTube again lately. I'm not sure how things are going to work tonight. This is always a work in progress, guys. Seem to run into new troubles and some new solutions each week, so it's kind of a toss-up how things are going to go each time. With any luck, I can get the live stream to show up, and with any luck on top of that, we'll have comments and various other things tonight. Good, looks like we are live. Thank you, YouTube. Guys, I'll fire up Skype a little bit later, and if we have anybody who would like to call in, that'd be just great. You can call in via Skype, via voice or voice and video if you like. It's up to you. Still sort out the last of the settings here. I'm using the OBS software to stream to you guys tonight. I'm sticking with that for a little while until I can try some other options, and we'll see how those work out too. But for now, I think this is going to work. Hopefully the audio and the video comes across half decent. And I didn't give anybody a lot of notice on this cast, so not sure whether anybody's going to show up tonight or not. But hey, it'll be on the YouTube channel for future viewing. If you ever can't make these tech talks, it will show up on the YouTube feed forevermore, essentially. I did privatize one or two of the videos just because it was early on and my quality of the stream was absolutely horrible. Still working on a lot of the bugs, guys. Got a pint with me tonight. It's Canada Day tomorrow, so cheers if there's any Canadians that watch this out there. This is the Mexican cerveza I brewed on, made a brewing video I think about 2 weeks ago. See, the clarity's pretty good. It finally cleared out. It's damn tasty beer, guys. So I'll go ahead and break into some of the stuff that I had prepped for tonight. I didn't prep very much, guys. This was kind of an impromptu again while we sort out the scheduling. I'd like to come up with a better time slot that works for people. Monday nights doesn't seem to work out very well. I get a lot of messages from people saying, sorry, I wish it was later, I wish it was earlier. And yeah, it's always tough with a worldwide audience, but we've got Andrew with us. Yay, new viewer, SDR and Gadget Geek here. Good feed and audio. Thank you, Andrew. Much appreciated. It's going to be a little bit delayed when I get your comments, just FYI. But yeah, I'm glad you could show up. Another fellow SDR and just all-around geek. Welcome to the channel. Hope you like the videos you've seen so far. If you've got any ideas, please throw them out. I'm going to switch over to some of the prepped stuff I had, guys, so I'm not going to be able to see the chat for anyone who joins or anyone watching. So see if I can get this switched over here. With any luck. Ooh, that's not good. My OBS software is telling me I just dropped a whole bunch of frames for some reason. Guys, I did a reformat on this PC and I've been having no end of trouble since I brought it back online. I'm having audio encoding and video encoding problems, and now I'm seeing it in my frame rates. Really, really weird, considering I doubled the RAM on the PC and sped it up significantly, so whatever I've got for a driver problem is really screwing things up. But hey, these are the things we got to deal with. Let's see if I can get things to work without dropping a whole bunch more frames. Would be nice. Alright, we are away. Some stuff from the community, guys. This is stuff from the makeme.org G+ community, and some other stuff from some things this week that I've seen around the web. Yesterday, the NASA flying saucer test took place. This is the LDSD high-speed deceleration tools for their saucer, for their re-entry craft. I believe it's for the Mars mission. It was pretty cool. They sent it up on a big helium balloon. I can't remember the total altitude. It was around 120,000 feet, I think, and then they blasted off with rockets to go even higher and brought the thing in at really high speed. It turned out it didn't work out as well as they had hoped. The skirt that inflates didn't quite fully inflate, but you can check out the live video, that the recorded video on their YouTube channel. Check it out. It's like, I think it was like 4 hours long. I only jumped back and forth to the highlights. Leroy posted his little Nardo showed up this week, which is pretty cool. I didn't know what it was, so I had to go to the Kickstarter and find it. This thing, as far as I know, is just basically a miniature Leonardo board. Yet another Arduino compatible device. Pretty cool little device. So I'm looking forward to Leroy posting some video on that. This I didn't bring upstairs with me. Leroy posted where he got the code for his, I think they're the 3.5-inch touchscreen, and I can confirm this is indeed the same touchscreen I have, maybe a different board. I have to go dig mine out, but I had no luck with mine at all when I initially tried it, so I shelved the thing. So now with Leroy's information, I'm going to give this a try on an upcoming video. Looking forward to that, guys. I posted this on the G+ community today. Arduino to Excel using VUSB. Check it out. Basically, it allows you to do data logging to Excel with Arduino, and it looks pretty straightforward. It looks much better than the way I was doing it with the Visual Basic scripts. You can check out my data logger videos if you want to see how I did it. I can't remember the name of the program. It was not an Arduino intended program, so technically it's not supported at all, but does work for Arduino. I spotted this and I thought I'd share it. This looks like a pretty neat little quick and dirty solution, maybe, so give it a try. Leroy posted, I think this is some sort of clock that he made, but I have to ask him some details on it. But you can check it out on the G+ community. It's pretty neat looking little project. And he's got a mega board, and it looks like a real-time clock module powering it, or working with it. That's why I just assumed it's a clock. Some stuff from the shop, guys. I am going to take a break and see if we've got any comments at this stage before I go any further. See how my YouTube feed is coming across too. If I can get it pulled back up here. Perfect. Andrew said UK here, teetotal now, but looks lovely. Looks okay here. Thanks, Andrew. Appreciate that, sir. Excellent, excellent. All right, so I'll just pick right back up here. Get my PowerPoint to work the way I intended it to. Perfect. So from the shop, guys, video, total departure from the norm on this channel. I made a video the other day, tail end of last week, covering my pack on what I take with me on overnight camping, and it was well received. It went live, I think, Friday night, and it definitely appealed to some audience. So I'm definitely planning on doing ongoing outdoors subject matter for the summer. I know my channel is mainly tech based, but I'm an outdoor nerd, guys. I spent a lot of time in the bush when I was young, and I miss it a lot, and I do get out quite a bit, and I just left it off my YouTube channel, so I thought I'd share this. Check it out. It's everything I took with me. I actually went on the trip on Thursday night and spent the night not far from here in the river valley. I videoed the entire thing. I have actually already cut the video on that, but we'll cover that right here. This is a shot from my camp, listening to shortwave radio. I think the video ended up being about 32 minutes long, guys. It's one of the longest ones I've done other than these live broadcasts. It took me quite a while to edit it, but it goes over some stuff like what I took with me, how I filter my water, my cooking equipment, fire building, sitting around listening to shortwave radio. So if you're interested in an overnight camping trip video, it will go live probably. I just have to finish the annotations and schedule it, so it'll probably be within the next week, and I'll get that up. So pretty happy to share that. The high altitude balloon project, I'm still cutting the video. The only reason that I'm still working on the video is what actually prompted me to reformat and upgrade this PC. The thing just choked on this amount of HD video. Several hours, multiple cameras worth of 1080p video. Just brought Adobe Premiere Elements to its knees on this PC, so I would have had to break it all up and do multiple chunks of video. And it was just a nightmare. I tried doing it, guys, and I just screwed it up. It was just a nightmare, so I trashed all that and started over. Still having problems doing the editing. I went ahead and did the camping video first while I choke on this monster, but the footage is looking good. I'm hoping to have this one up. I'm on vacation right now, so I see no reason I shouldn't be able to finish it off this week. Guys, I mentioned this in a live broadcast before. This is my Patreon page. It is now live. I'm still working through some of the text on it, but basically, for those of you not familiar, Patreon is a Kickstarter for content creators. If people want to go and pledge an ongoing pledge of, say, $1 or 50 cents or whatever to up to whatever value they want, it automatically would be repledged each month to any creator, people into making films and projects and all kinds of stuff, but it's mainly for content creators, which works pretty well for me. So I put it up there, guys. If you're interested in donating, knock yourself out, check it out. My videos are free though, and always will remain, so it's, by all means, it's not mandatory in any way, but I figured I'd get it up there, and there were some people who were interested in becoming patrons, so it is live now, guys. So I'll maybe do a little video on it at some point in the future, but you can link to it in the description below for this video. That's enough of that. Let's go and see if we can get back to the feed and double check our feed here. Perfect. What have we got? Ringway, Manchester. Eric, how come it always says an error occurred and to try again later? I'm trying to view from the UK. No idea, Ringway. Bandwidth problem, maybe. Beats me. Browser problem, possibly. But as far as I know, I don't think YouTube blocks anything to Manchester or to UK. Andrew had, this is where I got Andrew right after said, hey, Ringway, Liverpool here, UK, all fine, Virgin Media, 160 meg down, 50 up. Jesus, I would kill for that internet speed. I'm on a dismal upload bandwidth at the moment, and that's only 20 meg down, which is actually plenty. But I'm working with my ISP to get the upload a little bit better, which is going to help me with these broadcasts, and I can bring you a little more HD, guys. At least that's my plan, but we'll see how that goes. I'm just going to refresh this page and just see. What happens a lot, guys, with the YouTube comments are a little flaky sometimes. still working through that, or they're still working through that. The Google Hangouts works a lot better, but for the comments, but it doesn't work nearly as good for the video. I have a lot of troubles with the video feed. The encoding isn't something I can control, whereas when I use this, use the YouTube side with OBS, I can actually set all my own encoding settings and send the information right to the YouTube server. So that's saves me a lot of headache. But guys, that's all I had for pre-made content. This was intended to be a pretty short cast tonight. I didn't have a lot on the go. I'm going to throw the Skype online, that way if should anyone wish to dial in, just go ahead and add me on Skype and go ahead and dial in. The Skype contact is in the top right of your screen. Otherwise, guys, I don't think we're going to keep it going a whole lot longer tonight. Just taking a look here. I had a bunch more material staged, but I quite simply didn't deliver on it. It's summertime here in Canada. Summer's awful short, and I've been out of the house a lot, like you saw with the camping and hiking and trying to get things done around the yard and working on the pond in the backyard, having people over for campfires, all that kind of good stuff. And it's put a ding in my my development time. I've had 2 Arduino videos half cut, half taped, but I have to work through some troubleshooting on both of them, and then do the conclusions and the final code work for the Arduino stuff, which it all takes time, and then I've got to record the audio and dub it back over to. But we'll see. Ringway, Manchester, it was Google Chrome. I'm watching it now. Hi, Eric. Good. Glad to see you got that working. Hi. Cheers. Andrew said, spoiled with fiber optic. The main hub here for Europe and test area for cable is in Liverpool. We get our cable doubled free every 2 years. Yeah, this is my level of frustration too. I have fiber right into my house. The bandwidth could virtually be unlimited, but unfortunately when they ran the fiber, all they did was set the bandwidth caps just slightly more than what the competition could do. That way it was a lot cheaper for them with hardware, maintenance, their own bandwidth fees, so to speak, and it's sick. It was 0.7 meg up and 20 meg down, and I've got them up to a 2 meg up, and I'm getting that for free right now. But yeah, it's sad. Like, it's sick what they could be doing compared to what they are. It's kind of it's a shame is what it is, because the equipment can handle easily what you're doing, the 160 and 50, no problem. We can do triple that. Ringway said, cheers, man. Good to see another live broadcast. Yeah, well, I'm glad you guys could make it tonight. Really glad you guys could make it. This was kind of spur of the moment. I think I'll just put a poll up on the makeme.org G Plus community and see what would be a good time for the majority of people. For time zone, and just go with the lion's share. This Monday night thing doesn't seem to be working the best for a lot of people. I got quite a few messages and had a couple discussions with people who I routinely talk to who just quite simply can't make it. They're on the West Coast working, and some people in some other really funkier time zones. But glad you guys could make it from UK. That's cool, guys. Guys, I think that's about it for tonight. Other than me just sitting here drinking my homebrew beer, I don't have a whole lot more scheduled. We've got a fireworks show just down the street here tonight. Might slip over and check that out. Canada Day tomorrow and all that kind of good stuff. So, big party tonight. There'll be lots of people around, lots of good things to do. But, doesn't look like we've had anyone call in on Skype, guys, so I think I'm gonna shut it down at this. Really glad you guys could join me tonight. Really enjoy this face-to-face time with you guys and get to get some live feedback. If you don't mind, if you enjoy these kind of broadcasts, hit that thumbs up button down below. Really helps with the YouTube ranking system and stuff. So give it that thumbs up if you like this sort of thing. Guys, I am out. Good luck in all your electronics ventures. Please share anything you have going on the G Plus community, and good seeing you tonight. Oh, I see Leroy joined us. Sorry, Leroy, I'm on my way out, buddy. It's just about the end of things. Oh, we got one more question before I leave. Andrew Sullivan asked, do you have the Baofeng UV5R? Do you have the Baofeng UV5R GOR shortwave transceiver? I'm guessing he meant 4 shortwave transceiver. I paid 20 UK free delivery. No, the Baofeng UV5R does not do shortwave. It is a 2 meter 440, 2 meter 70 centimeter radio. It doesn't do shortwave. It's not possible. But yes, I do own one, and I don't know whether it's sitting right here. Nope. Got my unit and scanner. The 5R is buried somewhere behind me. I use it all the time, just receive only, but you'll see all kinds of videos on my channel of me, any of the SO50 satellite videos, or there were some older ones back when AO27, Alpha Oscar 27 was still working, and a few others. You'll see I use the UV3R and the UV5R a lot with the Nagoya antennas, and that is actually sitting right here. These are the antennas I use, the Nagoya NA775. Actually, yep, this one is the 775. Awesome little antenna. Use it with your the Baofeng units. Turns a $20 or $30 radio into a superstar. These things are just fantastic. But yeah, that's I have both. Actually, I think I still have 2 of the UV3Rs somewhere, but I don't know whatever happened to the other one, now that I think about it. Leroy said, yeah, I was late again tonight. Have a great evening. Thanks, Leroy. And Andrew said, my bad, too late here. Yeah, sorry guys. That's about the extent of it for me. I just got a couple of notifications came through. Just check them out real quick before I head out, guys. Nope, we're good. Well, guys, thanks for joining me tonight. I'm glad you guys could come and hang out. Had a blast. I always do. Just getting to interact with you guys it's why I do these. It's actually why I do all my videos. I like sharing, and I like interacting, and I really like collaborating and sharing together, and I learn a lot from you guys too. So good luck in all your electronics and other ventures. Hope you enjoy my videos, and thanks for joining me tonight. Thanks for watching.